Jeez. What are you doing? Are you doing a movie? Of what?
And it won't zoom?
No, it won't zoom on a movie.
Manual.
Not a manual zoom, baby. Oh, take it, yeah, do the greens. The lovely greens of yours. See, it's already, this thing's already crapping out.
Yeah, it's blacked out on me a couple times. What'd you do?
I just tried to cancel something. Now it's got to be manually shut down. Why does anybody want an operating system like this?
You could hit Control Alt Delete.
I did 3 times. It did nothing. Control Alt Delete did nothing. What? I just get the. Gee, that's special, honey. What are you, baby?